Good morning, sir. I am I. Kalyan Chakravarti, ECE branch. Today my topic two-port network. Introduction to two-port network. Two-port networks are electrical networks with two pairs of terminals. They are widely used in electrical engineering for circuit analysis and design. Understanding to two-port networks is essential for analyzing complex systems efficiently. Basic definitions of two-port network consist of input and output parts. Parameters such as a voltage, and current can be defined at both parts. These networks can be linear, non-linear, positive or active. Types of two networks. Two main types are passive and active two-port networks. Passive networks do not have any external power sources, while active networks do. Each type has a distinct characteristics that affect their performance and applications. Parameters of a two-port networks. Common parameters including get parameters, y parameters, h parameters, and s parameters. Each parameter set provides a different insights into the network behavior. The choice of a parameters often depends on the specific application and analyzing required. Z parameter impedance parameters. Z parameters relate the voltage and current at the ports of the are defined using the relationship between input and output voltage current. Z parameters are defined using the relationship between the input and output voltage and current. Z parameters are particularly useful for analyzing circuit in the frequency domain. Y parameters, admittance parameters, express the relationship between the current and voltage. The parts there are the dual. The Z parameters are used in similar analysis. Z parameters are advantageous for circuit where current source are utilized. H parameters, hybrid parameters combined with the voltage and current relationship definition. They are especially useful for transistor and their activity devices. H parameters provided a convenient way to model and analyze amplifiers. S parameters, scattering parameters. S parameters are used primarily in high frequency application. The describes how signals are reflected and transmitted through the networks. S parameter are essential for characterizing devices in RF and microscope engineering. Application of a two-port networks. Application of two-port networks are used in various applications such as filters and oscillators. There are reportedly in telecommunications for analyzing signal for these networks are also used in the power system and control circuit. Conclusion: two-port networks provide a powerful framework for the circuit. Understanding the different parameters and their applications allows for the efficient designs. Mastery of two-port networks are crucial for aspiring electrical engineers feel for to modify any part presentation and better suit for needs. Briefly to explain about two-port networks. Two-port network. Introduction to two two-port networks. Basic definitions. Types of two-port networks. Parameter of a two-port networks. Z parameter impedance parameters. Y parameter admittance parameters. H parameters hybrid parameters. S parameters scattering parameters. Scattering parameters. Application of a two-port networks. Application of two-port networks are used in various applications such as filters and oscillators. There are virtual telecommunications for analyzing signal flow. These networks are also used in power system and control circuit. Control circuit. Conclusion. Two-port networks provide a powerful frame for the circuit. Understanding the different parameters and their application allows for efficient design. Merged two-port networks are crucial for aspiring electrical engineering. Feel free to modify any part presentation to better suit your needs. Thank you for